AI and robotics. They're everywhere in the news. Robot dogs in the military. Tesla's humanoid robot. Delivery robots on LA sidewalks. And even self-driving taxis. But here's the real question. What's hype and what's actually happening today? Let's separate the facts from the fiction. And what's real right now. First, what's real? The everyday stuff you can actually see and use. Robot vacuums. Yes, your Roomba isn't just hype. They've been quietly proving robots can handle small, predictable jobs at scale. Delivery robots in LA. Companies like Serve Robotics have just launched their 1,000th autonomous sidewalk delivery robot. That's not a sci-fi clip. It's rolling past you in West Hollywood today. Robotaxis. Waymo is now expanding driverless rides across Los Angeles. Not perfect, but these cars are picking up real passengers right now. AI chips and infrastructure. OpenAI just signed a multi-billion chip deal with AMD, while Nvidia is investing $100 billion into AI systems. No chips, no AI revolution, and this part is very real. What's coming soon, but not quite here? Now let's talk about what's coming, but still needs time. Humanoid robots. Tesla's Optimus and Figure AI promise robots that can work alongside humans. Cool demos? Yes. Mass adoption? Not yet. Military robots and robo-dogs. Defense is experimenting with robotic dogs, drones, and even swarms. Some are in limited use, but Hollywood-style armies of robots? Still hype. Drone technology. Drones are everywhere in the military, but truly autonomous swarms making their own decisions? That's still in research labs. Robot waiters and Tesla's robot in the diner. Fun pilots exist, but they often fail in messy real-world environments like crowded restaurants. 3. What's mostly hype for now? Here's where hype takes over. Claims of robots replacing all human jobs soon. No, not happening tomorrow. Talk about AI gaining consciousness. Definitely hype for now. Startups promising a humanoid robot in every home. Reality check. Walking on 2 legs is still hard, and so is doing laundry. So if you see a flashy headline like, "This robot will change everything in a year," take it with a grain of salt. 4. The military and AI arms one area where the hype is closer to reality: the military. The US is pouring billions into AI, from analyzing drone footage, to counter-drone systems built with OpenAI, to massive investments like Stargate, a $500 billion AI infrastructure project. China is doing the same. This is shaping up to be an AI arms race, and it's very real. What's next? So what's hype and what's not? Delivery robots, robotaxis, and AI chips, real. Humanoids, robo-dogs, and drone swarms, coming, but not here yet. Robot overlords and conscious AI, definitely hype. The truth. AI and robotics are advancing fast, but not as fast as the headlines. The real revolution is happening quietly, in the sidewalks of LA, in the chip factories, and in military labs. And that's where you should keep your eyes. And let's dive into the robot humanoids.
Robots that think, move, and replace us. They can dance, flip, thread a needle, even fold your laundry. They work 24/7, never ask for a raise, and they're getting smarter by the minute. The age of humanoid robots has already begun. But behind the stunts and sci-fi dreams lies a billion-dollar business question. Which robot, Tesla's sleek AI-powered Optimus, or China's rapidly advancing humanoid army, will actually slash your labor bills and make your business run leaner and faster? Welcome to the new industrial race. In one corner, you've got Elon Musk, with bold promises and factory-grade AI brains.
Your goal, you've also said, is to produce 1 million robots, I think by 2030. That's what I had you on the record as saying.
I think that's a reasonable target.
In the other, a rising force from China, building robots at scale and speed the West can't match. This isn't just about robotics. This is about who will run your warehouses, your fulfillment centers, your hospitals, your homes in 5 years or less. And let's see if Trump's tariffs will have any impact on the US. What these robots can actually do today, robots in real jobs, not just demos anymore. These robots aren't just performing for the camera, they're already in the field. Hospitality and cleaning, China, robots, vacuuming rooms, refilling minibars, folding towels, manufacturing and assembly, Tesla. Optimus working alongside humans on the gigafactory floor, Healthcare and elder care, China. Trials of robots guiding patients and assisting with physical support. Robot deployment isn't next decade, it's happening now. Software brains versus hardware speed. Tesla's big advantage, the brain. Tesla Optimus, trained by a simulation like autonomous driving. AI decision-making mimics human thought. Controlled with Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, China's bots. Focus on hardware mastery. Faster limbs, more joints, built with manufacturing efficiency in mind. Already mass-producing 1,000 plus bots a year in factories. It's the classic race, software versus hardware, vision versus volume, but can they save you money? Here's where sci-fi meets spreadsheets. The numbers, worker type, annual cost. Robots don't call in sick, they don't sleep, and they could reduce labor costs by up to 90%. Cut costs, increase output, reinvent your workflow. The small business impact. If you run a warehouse, a factory, or a service-based business, this is your turning point. E-commerce, fulfillment bots, accounting, AI assistance facilities, cleaning bots, customer support, AI agents. And it's not just giant corporations. Small businesses are starting with just one robot to transform their teams. Who will win, Tesla or China? Tesla leads in AI, software, and brand trust. China leads in scale, speed, and hands-on production. If Tesla can bring down costs faster, they'll dominate Western industries. But if China hits global export scale first, they might win the global market. The winner, the one who can prove real ROI and deliver service, safety, and reliability at scale. If you're wondering how this tech could impact your business, whether it's fulfillment, customer service, logistics, or even front office work, we can help. Visit positify.us to see how you can deploy AI in your organization and start saving time and money. And let us know in the comments, would you trust a robot to run your operations? Positify.us, subscribe. Subscribe.